Hi, I'm Dale Framer from Apmasphere TV. We're on site today to complete a routine inspection using Apmasphere's new app, Field Agent 2.0 or more recent. To commence, make sure you've downloaded or updated the app free from the App Store. When first opening the app, it's best to set up your user settings and report default text. This is done by navigating to the Settings tab. You can then log into your Apmasphere community profile, which will aid with Field Agent support and allow you to redeem credit codes. If you don't already have a profile set up, the app can navigate to the Apmasphere account screen by selecting the Need a Login option. We also recommend you log into your Dropbox account so you can export your reports. If you don't have a Dropbox account, it can also be set up from the device by selecting the Need a Dropbox account option. The default text can be edited and saved to automatically populate onto the report by simply tapping the fields and customising your report. If you choose not to set up a Dropbox account, the reports can be emailed from the device. To start using the app for your inspections, the properties will be required to be set up. This is done by navigating to the Property tab and selecting the plus option at the top of the screen. This will allow for a new property address and details to be added within the application. The application will automatically populate the suburb, state and postcode to match your property address that was previously added within the app. Key and access details can also be added within the key section if required. The property will populate the default areas of your state, however they can be edited to reflect the actual property. Extra areas can be edited by selecting the plus add area icon and selecting the area within the menu to add. An area can also be deleted by selecting the red icon. After the initial add property screen is saved, the area title can also be edited by selecting the left-hand side arrow and altering the title. To edit the property features within each area, tap the title and the list will expand out. Tap each feature to rename or delete it. Now the app is set up, we're ready to start inspecting. Field Agent offers two different options for completing routine inspections. The classic option is where photos and comments can be added against a room or an area of the property. And the routine option is where individual features of the property can have comments and photos attached to them, such as a light switch or a skirting board. To commence a new routine inspection, navigate to the Inspections tab. Select the plus icon at the top of the page. This list can be filtered by suburb, street or postcode. Choose the property address that will be inspected and then the inspection type, in this case, routine inspection. Now the property is ready to be inspected, the access details can be viewed by sliding the key icon to the left. The map and directions can also be viewed by selecting the map feature and expanding it out. To commence the inspection, select the room, then the feature. Comments can then be added by entering the text or using the predefined text options and select Save. Multiple portrait or landscape photos can be added by selecting the Add Photo option. Photos can be annotated with typing a comment or selecting the predefined text. If photos were taken at a previous inspection, they can be referred to and used as a reference overlay for the new inspection photos. Each feature within the room can be completed individually, or for a quick complete reference, select Mark Remaining as Complete. However, if a feature doesn't have a photo or comment marked against it, it won't be displayed within the routine inspection report produced. Once the inspection is completed, it can be rescheduled to the next known date if applicable, and then wrapped up by saving to Dropbox or emailing as an RTF attachment. Now the routine inspection report is wrapped up, it will arrive as an RTF file. This can then be downloaded and opened as a Microsoft Word document. The further details can then be added and the report is ready to be forwarded to the owner for referral. One more feature within Field Agent I'd like to show you is the ability to track a property's inspection history. This is done by navigating to the Property tab. Select the property you would like to view and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Show History. It will then filter the inspections by tenancies. The inspection can then be selected, referred to, and you have the option to resend the report. Within the user settings, there is an option to change the filter of the inspection history view. Thank you for joining me today to complete a routine inspection using Apmasphere's new app, Field Agent. For further ideas and instructions, please refer to our earlier episode of aTV, episode 8. See you in the next episode of Apmasphere TV.